Hi guys, just a quick video so I can show you all on YouTube that I haven't disappeared. You know, it's another one of those weird times. Just spit on my lens. Anyway, some of you may know there was that whole discussion with Dave from the vlog with the spam your resume video. For those of you who don't know what that was about, it was about the fact that apparently he as an employer and like many other employers require all kinds of, I don't know how you call them in English, all sorts of trickery and, you know, to tickle the employer in the right way, all sorts of cover letters and personalized stuff and finding the name of the person you're talking to so you can say, hey dear Mr. X, I want to get hired in your great company that does, you know, that sort of bullshit, and customizing your resume for every job you apply to and all that. There's gotta be a link to that video in the description. I don't know how to link a video during the video. I think I saw that. For some people, I don't know. The thing is, I had interviews, and next week I'm starting work by spamming my resumes. And as I said to those who said, you know, oh, you never get a job like that, that's why you don't have a job right now, and blah blah. This is exactly what I want, precisely what I want. I want to be hired by those people who are not like that. So for me, it's a perfect win. So apparently you can get hired pretty fast, actually. You notice there's some time, there's a lot of, I think it's a couple of months at least since that whole discussion took place and now, but actually I didn't continuously apply. I applied then, and then, you know, I had some other stuff to do, so I stopped applying, and this happened like in a range of a couple of weeks. So a couple of weeks after applying, by spamming my resume, I got hired. So actually on Monday I have to bring in the papers, you know, for the employment contract to be made. So yeah, go ahead. Don't spam your resume. If that works for you, I spam my resume and I get hired by spamming my resume. It feels so good to actually prove this bullshit as being wrong. Absolutely magnificent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.